Ever wondered what type of content makes the most amount of money on YouTube? When kickstarting your YouTube journey, choosing the right niche is a game changer. It's not just about what you're passionate about, it's about what can turn your passion into profit. It dictates everything, from your audience to the brand collaborations you can snag. Now here's the million-dollar question. How do you uncover that golden YouTube niche? Determining the most profitable niches is a puzzle. Earnings depend on factors like niche, monetization strategy, audience engagement, content quality, video length, and even your geographical location. To get the idea, you need to know about the CPM of the niches. CPM stands for cost per meal, a metric that indicates how much you earn from ad revenue for 1,000 views on a video. Stay tuned as we unravel the 15 most profitable YouTube niches based on CPM. Number 15. Travel. A niche where creators weave tales of exploration and share insights that transport you to far-flung corners of the globe. The travel niche, once affected by global events, is now back in full throttle. It's not just about satisfying the travel-hungry audiences, but also reviving the businesses that cater to them and reigniting the passion of our beloved creators. The collaboration offers from brands and local tour agencies increasing, and the CPM rates are also climbing up to $2 and beyond. Drew Binsky is a popular channel in this niche with over 4 million subscribers. He's getting almost 10 million views every month and earning from $2,000 to $37,000. Niche 14. Motivation. In this special community, people see the world in different ways, but they all come together for one important thing: making themselves better. These channels are like your personal guides if you're looking to grow, find inner peace, and get motivated to face challenges. A good example channel in this niche is Red Frost Motivation. They are making videos to motivate people and making up to 5,000 every month from YouTube ad revenue. Channels helping with personal growth usually make around $2.5 to $4 for every 1,000 views. Cool, right? Niche number 13, ASMR and oddly satisfying. Don't you find this satisfying? This channel called Oddly Satisfying, making videos like this and getting about 25 million views a month, which makes them between $6,000 to $98,000. Videos in this niche can attract a large audience and get tons of views, which means more income. Advertisers reward this with a fairly high CPM for such a niche topic, averaging around $3.5. Number 12. Comedy. This niche includes humor, challenges, and prank videos. Who on YouTube doesn't know about Mr. Beast? Look at the amount of views he is getting on a new video. He's earning up to $6 million a month from YouTube ad revenue alone. The average CPM in this niche is $1 to $2. But considering the amount of views it gets and other possibilities like running your own merch, this is a very profitable niche. 11. Gaming. The gaming niche on YouTube is a dynamic and popular category, offering diverse content such as Let's Plays, reviews, and esports coverage. With a broad audience, engaging communities, and opportunities for monetization, gaming channels thrive by keeping up with industry trends, creating entertaining content, and building strong connection with viewers. Several of the most subscribed channel and highest-earning YouTubers, such as PewDiePie, fall into the gaming niche. On average, creators in this niche experience CPM rates of around $1.4. Number 10. Fitness. This niche is a powerhouse of strength, health, and motivation. It attracts a diverse audience eager to sculpt their bodies and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Chrissy Sella gained over 2 million subscribers in this niche, teaching people about fitness and workout. She's making between $5,000 to $80,000 each month on YouTube from ads. There are more income options in this niche which can multiply this amount. The average CPM in this niche is around $1.6. Number 9. Cooking. This channel with 24 million subscribers getting a lot of views on each of their videos. They are surely generating a couple of $100,000 every month from YouTube. Particularly during the pandemic, cooking channels have grown at a massive rate. YouTube became a go-to platform for countless individuals seeking recipe inspiration and admiring impressive kitchen creations. These cooking channels have CPM rates averaging around $2.5. Number 8. Beauty and makeup. YouTube's beauty and makeup niche is a glam haven, offering quick tips, tutorials, and trend updates. Creators showcase expert techniques, inspiring viewers to enhance their beauty effortlessly. Take this makeup channel, for example. This creator is making between $8,000 to $140,000 each month. CPM rate in this niche is over $3 on an average. Besides, this niche is very profitable for brand collaborations. 7. Fashion. This is pretty similar to the beauty niche. The average CPM is about $3.5. Videos like try-on hauls fall into this type. This creator named Spencer Barbosa makes try-on-haul videos, and take a look at her income from YouTube. It is between $20,000 to $300,000 every month, and this is only from ad revenue. She surely earns much more by partnering with brands in this niche. Number 6. Lifestyle. People enjoy watching others' journeys and professions, peering into their homes, and staying updated on their relationships. This creator shares videos related to her life and gets a lot of views in each of her videos. She generates $2,000 to $31,000 per month from YouTube ads. CPM in this niche is averaging around $3.5, which is similar to the fashion niche. Number 5. Tech. One of the highest CPM niches. It can average around $4 to $7 depending on the specific type of tech. You all probably know about Marques Brownlee, who surely makes a couple $100,000 from ad revenue. There is opportunity to earn a lot more with brand collabs in this niche. Number 4. Education. Videos in this category attracts the business world to put a lot of ads. So the average CPM is also high, which is around $9 to $10 on average. Channels like Cocomelon can make a few $1,000,000 from YouTube ads each month. And the contents in this niche are evergreen. Number 3. Personal finance and investments. This is a money-related niche where creator can teach the users how they can use their wealth and invest in the best way possible. Brian Jung makes videos like this to earn up to $8,000 from ads. The average CPM in this niche is $12. 2. Digital marketing and websites. Digital marketing has the second highest income potential on YouTube. Also, the videos related to websites can earn a lot from YouTube ads. The average CPM in this niche is around $12.5. Website learners earns from $1,000 to $20,000 from ads every month by making videos about website building. Number 1. Make money online. The most profitable niche to make videos on YouTube is strategies for making money online. Many turn to YouTube to discover ways to create extra online income streams, and several creators are eager to share their expertise. On average, creators in this niche see the highest CPM of $13.5. Some sub-niches have even higher CPM rates that averages over $20. Creators like Ali Abdal are very popular in this category. He makes anywhere between $2,000 to $33,000 every month from ad revenue. Not all YouTube niches are equal when it comes to income. Consider your financial goals, content creation costs, and competition. Choose a niche that aligns with your passions for the perfect fit.